brick by brick, unlocking your backyard's hidden potential. Is your backyard more of an eyesore than an escape? Wondering how to transform it into a relaxing patio oasis? In this video, we'll reveal the secrets to laying a beautiful brick patio and creating your own backyard retreat. Let's explore the incredible transformation a brick patio can bring to your backyard. We'll discuss the numerous benefits of installing a brick patio, from enhancing your outdoor aesthetics to providing a durable and functional space for gatherings. Imagine hosting summer barbecues or enjoying quiet evenings under the stars on a beautifully designed patio. We'll guide you through the design options, installation tips, and maintenance advice to ensure your brick patio remains stunning for years to come. Join us as we unlock the potential of your outdoor space with this timeless addition. Step 1. Plan your patio layout and design. The first step in creating your brick patio is to plan its layout and design. Start by choosing the size and shape that best fits your available space, whether it's a cozy nook or a spacious area for entertaining. Consider the flow of your backyard. Think about how the patio will connect with existing features like gardens or pathways. To bring your vision to life, sketch a design that visualizes the final look and layout. This will help you make informed decisions about materials and placement, ensuring your patio complements your outdoor environment beautifully. Step 2. Gather necessary materials and tools. Once you have your patio design in mind, it's time to gather the essential materials and tools for the project. You'll need bricks, sand, gravel, and landscape fabric to create a sturdy foundation. Make sure to have the right tools on hand, including a shovel for digging, a level to ensure even surfaces, a rubber mallet for setting bricks, and a trowel for finishing touches. Don't forget to prioritize safety by wearing gloves and goggles to protect yourself during the installation process. With everything ready, you'll be well equipped to start building your beautiful brick patio. Step 3. Prepare the site for your brick patio. Preparing the site is crucial for a successful brick patio installation. Start by clearing the area of grass, weeds, and debris to create a clean workspace. This ensures a solid foundation for your patio. Next, excavate the soil to the appropriate depth, typically around 6 to 8 inches, to accommodate the base materials. This step is essential for proper drainage and stability. Once the area is excavated, install landscape fabric to prevent weed growth beneath your patio. This will help maintain the integrity of your patio while reducing maintenance efforts in the future. Your site is now ready for the next steps. Step 4. Create a solid base for the patio. Creating a solid base is essential for the longevity of your brick patio. Begin by adding a layer of gravel, which will provide excellent drainage and stability. Spread the gravel evenly across the excavated area, ensuring it reaches the desired depth. Next, use a tamper to compact the gravel, creating a firm foundation that will support the weight of the bricks. Once compacted, spread a layer of sand on top to level the surface for brick placement. This sand layer will help ensure that your bricks sit evenly, preventing shifting and settling over time. Your base is now ready for the bricks. Step 5. Lay the bricks in your desired pattern. Now it's time to lay the bricks in your chosen pattern, starting from a corner for better alignment. Whether you opt for a classic herringbone or a simple straight pattern, carefully place each brick according to your design. As you work, use a level to ensure that each brick is even and aligned, which is crucial for a professional finish. Remember to leave small gaps between the bricks. These spaces will be filled with sand later, helping to secure the bricks in place and prevent shifting. Continue laying the bricks until your beautiful patio design is complete. Step 6. Finish the patio and add final touches. To complete your brick patio, start by filling the gaps between the bricks with sand. This will help secure them in place and prevent shifting over time. Once filled, compact the sand gently and sweep off any excess to achieve a clean, polished finish. With the patio now complete, consider enhancing the space by adding outdoor furniture, such as a cozy seating area or a dining set, to create an inviting atmosphere. You might also incorporate potted plants or decorative elements to bring life and color to your new outdoor oasis. Enjoy your beautifully transformed backyard. In this video, we've walked through the essential steps to transform your backyard with a stunning brick patio. From planning your layout and gathering materials to preparing the site and laying the bricks, each step is crucial for achieving a beautiful outdoor space. We encourage you to try this project yourself and share your results with us. Your creativity can inspire others. If you found these tips helpful, check out our video Transform Your Home on a Budget. Here's how, right up here on the screen. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and inspiration for your home improvement journey.